How to delete items from inventory on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can delete the items from your Roblox inventory. So now, first of all, you need to launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, tap on inventory from the left-hand side of the screen, which you will find between sandbox and create option. Tap on it. Now once you're over there, click on classic clothing and then select classic t-shirts. Find the item that you want to remove and select it. Now there you will see the option of get more and remove. Simply tap on remove. Also keep in mind that deleting an item won't refund any Robux that you spend on it. If you're sure that you want to proceed, you can go through these following methods and a confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure to remove this item from your inventory. Click on yes to permanently remove the item. And that's it. This is exactly how you can delete items from your inventory. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.